Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a bike check on the bike that we just got done building. The Stolen Vendetta. I bought the frame first and then everything else, so let's get started with this. Okay, so starting up here, I have Stolen cell bars, $44, it's a pretty good deal. I like them. They're really durable. They're in black, matte black. Moving over to here is some Colt the Heart Rasta grips. I like them a lot. They're really grippy. And then so I got some Stolen Vortex bar ends in green right there. And then I got a Rasta band stem. It's pretty cool. I love it. And then I got a Shadow Conspiracy headset in black. It looks quite cool and sexy. I love it. Going down some more, I got some Shadow Conspiracy, crap, what are they called, Randall?
Forks.
Forks. No, forks. But,
The Voltus forks.
Voltus, that's it. I was getting them confused with the other ones. Okay, love them. Work really well. Then I have some Stolen OE tires. I only go to 55, 65
The
PSI.
Stolen joint OEs.
Stolen joint OEs, yeah. And then a Stolen revolver wheel with a roulette hub. I like it. And then
Mission valve caps in gold.
Mission valve caps in gold. Moving back, I have a Colt, Rasta Colt the Heart seat. I love it. And then I have a White Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat post. Pretty cool. And then I have some Animal Hamilton PC pedals in translucent red. Pretty cool. Then Mission Transit cranks.
Okay, let me get a better view of these.
Okay. Yep, Mission Transits right there. Pretty cool. Then moving down a little bit farther is a Colt Member version 2 sprocket and Rasta. It's pretty cool. And then Colt 410 chain. It's really durable, really strong. And then a green Stolen revolver bottom brackets. Pretty cool. Right there. Going back a little bit farther, another Stolen joint OE tire. Same PSI, same wheel, only except it's a cassette with another roulette right there.
The rear comes in a 2.2 wide and the front comes in a 2.3.
Yeah. Now I'm going to do a hub sound for you. Sounds pretty cool. I know. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and have a nice day.